YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl. You already know my channel, HOWTODRESS. And if you're new to that channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, this is pretty much like a sequel to my dressy shoe collection that I did, some few, of them that I did. So without further ado, let's get into the first box so you know which one I'm talking about, okay? So the first one was from Malucci. There you go, it says www.malucci.com. Damn, I got some dust on here. Well, anyways, this is gonna be size 10, black. You see it? There you go. All right. Diving into the box, they bring you a shoe horn. Malucci does that. This is a loafer that you can wear. Sometimes you just gotta blend it in a little bit. It's not always that you can wear some sneakers or like boots. So sometimes you could do like a gentleman way and put on some loafers. Okay, this shoe is really nice. Like, I can't even, like, nice is like an understatement. Okay, let me pop this pair out so you can check it out. All right, so straight out of the box, this is how it looks like, and it's a black suede loafer, size 10. If you fucks with shoes a lot, you could do this with some jeans or some dressy pants for like a casual occasion. You don't have to be too fancy with this. It's just some casual occasions. And this is the Malucci size 10 right there. I rock size 10. So sometimes in dressy shoes I rock 9.5. Some of them I rock 9. It just depends on the designer, But when it comes to these loafers, I am a size 10. And you could see it looks like it's been stitched on there. The little top part, the design part, it's been stitched on there, like sewn on there. But other than that, it looks good. It's a very decent shoe. Quality wise, it's just like your average loafers. Loafers are like shoes that you wear pretty much. You could do it outdoors, but it's not a shoe that you can wear it to, like, when you're going to be doing a lot of walking and whatnot, because your legs and your feet is going to get fatigued easily. Yeah, but other than that, decent shoe. Let's move on to the next one, okay? Next one is from Aldo. As you could tell from the box, it's going to be the Royton size 10. I paid like $48, $49 for these. I can't remember this shoe. I already did the unboxing in my other video. I'm gonna put the cards up there so you can go check it out. Yeah, so this was mailed to me as well somewhere in October. There you go. It was mailed to me in October. They didn't have my size in the store, so they had to mail it to me. Okay. But yeah, let's get into the shoe. I unboxed the black version. This is gonna be the brown version. Okay. As you could tell, let me pop it out so you could see what I'm talking about. Black was really decent. Brown is fly, I would say. Brown is like, clean, man. Like, it's very clean. Like I said in the other video, what drove me to buy the shoe is the little tassel or whatever over here, which is like it's a chain, like a Cuban links chain. I think it puts the shoe in a different category. Like, it makes it like fly. It makes it really clean, yeah, brown, the bottoms. Original price was $125 and I paid 1/3 of that. So I paid, yeah, if my math isn't my strong suit, but I paid around like $48, $49. But yeah, decent shoe. I'll put the links in the description and you can cop that if you fuck with shoes a lot. Let's go on to the last but not the least. This is gonna be Vianero R1. It's also from Aldo. It says Vianero R1. What I know, it's a Chelsea boot, so without further ado, let me pop it out. Okay, there you go. So this is really clean shoe, man. Like, it's a navy colorway. I tried to get the black, but they didn't have black in stock, so I kept the navy blue, but it looks like black anyways, you know, when you wear it. Like at night you wouldn't be able to even tell the difference. But here's the shoes. Clean suede shoe. Yeah, if you own a suede shoe, I think you should get a suede brush as well, because they tend to, you know, the waves tend to go sideways, and then you can easily brush it and restore it to you know, how it came out from the factory. So I guess it was $109.98. That was the original price, and I paid, like I said, I paid around like $45 for these. I paid like $45 for these. Let me see if there's the receipt is in there somewhere. Yep, the receipt is right here. Hopefully I didn't lie. Okay, so I paid, yeah, I bought both of them. I paid, yeah, I bought that one and the brown one, and I paid for both of them. I paid with taxes. It came up to $97, and with taxes I paid $105. With taxes I paid $105 right there. So yeah, so like pretty much like 40, 48, 49 each for both of them. So yeah, decent shoe. If you have Chelsea boots, what colors do you have, and how do you rock your Chelsea boots? Chelsea boots go very well with skinny jeans and maybe a sweater top. You could also do a beanie with that. A lot of people like to fuck with Chelsea boots a lot, and you know, if you're a collector, you don't only have to have, you know, like the Jordans and the Nikes and whatnot, you know, Adidas, blah blah blah. You have to, you know, sometimes style it up with a, you know, gentleman's kind of shoe, which happens to be like shoes and boots and whatnot. But anyways, that's just a few of my collection of my dressy shoes. Go subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and if you're new to the channel, you can also like some of the videos. I've got a lot of videos coming up. Go check out my old videos, and until I see you next in my other videos, peace out. I've been waiting for a chance, and I think it's